Hello, everyone. In the class, my name is Kayla Adams, and I am a resident of Salt Lake City, Utah, and I still live there from there. I currently work for Intermountain Healthcare, which is the largest private employer in Utah. We're a healthcare company that we have hospitals, clinics, home care, all kinds of things. We're kind of the biggest one in Utah. I am the HR business section as a sourcer for talent acquisition. I also am the liaison to our diversity council. I help with community events, fairs, outreach, and a lot of those things. So it's super fun. I am actually relocating to Philadelphia in August because I am attending the dual degree program, which is the MSW NED, so that I can do the human sexuality tract. The end goal being that I can be certified as a sex therapist after I finish school. So that's kind of my goals right now. I'm super excited to get started at Widener. I've heard some really good things about the program, in particular the dual degree program, where I can be certified as a sex therapist as soon as I leave. And a lot of my colleagues and mentors have said that this is a great program. Even though it's rough on my husband having to move clear across the country, it's going to be a great experience. I look forward to working with all of you and learning from all of you so that I can kind of enrich my education even more. Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you later.